Number 51 is geographic speciation. Geographically is isolated population of a single species developed. Number 52, germplasm. Collectively hereditary materials which are the physical basis for inheritance. Number 53 is heredity. Denotes the transmission of morphological. Number 54. Heritability. The degree to which a character is influenced by heredity as compared to the environment. Number 55. Heterosis. The state of a genotype having a large degree of heterozygosity. 56 is heterozygote. An individual whose chromosomes bear identical genes of a given allele pair of cells. Number 57, hybrid. An individual that results from a cross between two genetically unlike parents. Number 58, inbred line. A population derived from inbreeding. 59 is inbreeding. A production of relatively homozygous offspring by making related organisms, usually selling. Number 60 is incompatibility. A failure or partial failure in some process leading to fertilization. Number 61 is introgression. The natural spread of the genes from one species. Number 62, isolation. A condition that prevents or limits breeding among population to another through hybridization. Number 63, karyokinesis. The division of nucleus during the cell division. Number 65, lethal gene. A gene whose phenotypic effect is sufficiently drastic to kill the bearer. Number 65 is life cycle. The entire series of developmental stages undergone by an individual from zygote to maturity and death. Number 66 is locus. The position or place on a chromosomes occupied by a particular gene or one of its alleles. Number 67 is messenger RNA. A ribonucleic acid conforming amino acid, especially on ribosomes. Number 68, monohybrid. The offspring of two homozygous parents that differ in only one gene's locus. Number 69. Mutation. A sudden change in genotype having no relation to the individual's ancestry. Number 70 is narrow sense heritability. The function of total variation attributable to the additive effects of gene.